the ability to be listened by various stakeholders, by the government. They are being sidelined outside. They're not being given the platform to express themselves, to be given the opportunity to share their innovations, their ideas. So they are being left out. They are not being given that platform to share various ideas that they have.
Tujiamini. So let us believe in ourselves. Tujijenge. Let's build ourselves. Tujitume. Let's utilize the available resources and opportunities around us. Tujiconnect. Let us network and form partnerships, and let us thrive.
Ile wakuwe na policy about the agroecology policy, as they have adapted, some have adapted, like Nakuru County and the Murang'a County. So ningewaomba county zote wakuwe na hiyo policy ya agroecology ambayo inaweza saidia vijana, sababu vijana saa hii hawaamini kuwa kilimo hai inaweza wasaidia katika biashara. But county government zikiingilia, zikuwe na hiyo policy, so vijana wote wanaweza kuwa waone ni kitu ambayo italeta faida.
Because when you grab a skill, it is the one that is going to help you swim the ocean of life. Because if you don't have a skill, there's nobody who can employ you. You are unemployable. And then you find yourself, you are going into crime.
Okay, professionally I've done project planning and management. I graduated quite some time in 2016, and with the state of youth of unemployment, I ventured into self-employment. One positive thing is that there's profits, you make good money. I cannot say I'm yet for the self-reliance through beadwork, but at least I make money from it.